Hello there and welcome back. This is an ad hoc video, so this involves some Python, but basically I have just received a URL from a very good friend of mine and he challenged me to try to be able to log in to this website. So apparently it is expecting an invite code which should somehow be acquired, but we only have a, if you remember, login here and etc. And what I was thinking is to inspect this web page. And here under inspect, we can see the source code. So the source code holds the JS invite API, that means JS. And if I copy the URL and paste the appropriate part in front of it, we can see that there are there is some kind of function which is evaluated as we send this invite code or something like that. And basically, if we inspect, this is the crucial part. So technically, here, what we can grab as an idea is that it may be expecting a post request. And how should we call a function that makes an invite code? So maybe this is the make invite code function. Alright, let's get back to our original website. And here under console, we paste this here and just call the function. Alright, now it seems that there is some kind of response here, but I do not know anything about this ROT13 encryption. So maybe we would like to issue this once again. And alright, since this is the ROT encryption, we will Google ROT decrypt. Oh boy, we have a site dedicated for this kind of decryption. So now what we would like to do is to copy paste this data here. And in my experience, there are two types of responses. One is base64 and the other is the generate or the ROT13. So it says that if we want to generate an invite code, we need to make a post request to the API invite generate context route. So let's do that. We could use Python, but since I'm using Commander, we are able to use the curl command with the xpost. And this should take the URL that we have received with the host. Now, what we can do is to post this request, and it seems like we got a response, and it says it's encoded. And since I'm familiar with base64 encoding, I know that this is something that we can decrypt that way. And here is when Python comes into picture. So base64 and base64.b64 decode, and we would like to paste this string. Great. Oh boy. And now it seems like something that we can work with. So let's get back to our website and close the developer console and paste the invite code. And oh boy, it seems like it's working. So I'm going to use the ReaperPie username, the reaperpie@gmail.com, and I'm going to specify a super secret password. I accept the terms of service, and I'm not a robot, definitely. So I'm going to register. And basically this was all I wanted to show you. So see you maybe in the next one. I'm not sure if it's going to have a continuation, but I thought I would show you because this is something I really enjoyed doing. See you in the next one.